Determine which of these three vectors, 5, 1, -2, -3, and -4, 3, has the greatest magnitude. So we want to find the vector that has the greatest magnitude, or greatest length, or greatest norm. These terms all mean the same thing. So what we're going to need to do is just work out the length of each of these vectors. So vector A is 5, 1. So we go ahead and compute its length by squaring each component, adding the result, and taking the square root. So we've got the square root of 26. That's the length of A. Now let's find the length of B, which is -2, -3. And once again, we use the same process to find the length, square the components, add the result, and take the square root. So B has a magnitude of root 13. We've got one more vector to go, vector C. C is -4, 3. So we get 16 plus 9. We get a square root of 25. Now, we can simplify this to 5. But we're asked which vector has the greatest length. And if we keep them all under the square root sign, it's a lot easier to compare. Root 13 is smaller than root 25, which in turn is smaller than root 26. The bigger the number under the square root sign, the bigger the value. So it turns out A has the greatest length.